Coming up towards the military base here on the right hand side, the Yongsan military base. This is the American military base right in the middle of Seoul. Been here for decades. Oops, don't go to that. Bit of a bone of contention for some people in Seoul because they don't like having 25,000-30,000 foreign military soldiers right in the middle of their capital city. But they're generally well behaved. Do a good job, protect the peninsula and all that. It's quite a big area. It's all off to the right here and it's all straight ahead of me. And as I turn right up here, I'm going to drive down through the middle of it. There's always some talk of giving this whole area back to Seoul City and relocating the base further south, but it never seems to happen. The political will doesn't seem to be there, and it's getting more and more expensive. But both sides down here are the Yongsan army base. See quite a lot of police presence down here. Korean police presence, just making sure everything's okay. There's not usually that much hassle. This is the war memorial on the right. Pretty impressive actually. See all the flags of the nations there that fought in the Korean War on the UN side. Quite a diverse bunch. Every now and then Korea pays for some veterans from some of those nations to come back and visit, which is a nice gesture. They're taken care of by the Korean government and the people of Korea. Of course, they're all pretty old now because that was finished in 53, so there's not too many of them left. And up to Samgakji Rotary, one of the big intersections in this area. These apartment buildings here were built on speculation that the army base would in fact go back to Seoul City and it would then become a giant park, the Central Park or the Hyde Park or whatever of Seoul. So these went up about 5 years ago. Based on that, they're pretty expensive too. $1 million an apartment apparently. What the fuck is this? Nice and dangerous. Though I guess I shouldn't be sneaking along the side there. Yeah, so all these apartments have gone up. And they're all full, but the park didn't come along. But Seoul being Seoul, if you build it, they will come. There's just apartment buildings going up everywhere. And I don't mind the older neighbourhoods, but in defence of the people building these apartments, some of the older houses are not exactly fantastic to live in. The toilets and the bathrooms can in fact be outside of the main house, so that's not a lot of fun.